Hello friends, this is Harmeet from themang.com, and friends, welcome back to our series, that is WooCommerce tutorial series. In previous video we have learned how to create products and categories. Now in this video we will learn how to create upsell products, cross-sell products and related products. Friends, if you check this, my single product, that is a blue jeans product. When you scroll down to the linked product tab in the product data section, you can see this is the upsell product option and this is the cross-sell product option. First we will set up upsell product and then again we will set up a cross-sell product. Friends, upsell products are the product that you recommend instead of the currently viewed product. So mainly upsell product is a product that will show in your product page. So just we are going to create our upsell product. Actually you have to just select a product which you have already created in your product section. Here with the help of add new button, you have to just select a product which is related to this product. So as you can see, this is our blue jeans product we have created in previous video, and just we are going to select another product which will relate to this product. So with jeans, someone wants to buy a t-shirt or a shirt, so I am just going to select a shirt and it will give the list of available products in my product section. So this is the white shirt product. I am going to select this product, and just after selecting this product you can add multiple products in your upsell section. So now we are going to update this product and then we will see how it is looking in my product page. Now my product is updated and just going to check this product in my product page. So you can see this is my blue jeans product, and when you scroll down and you will check that the heading we have got, this is you may also like. It is suggesting that with blue jeans you can also buy a white shirt, and again you can see below that you can see this is a related products, and related product is just giving the set of products with the same category. So friends, this product is showing with same category. Suppose you have chosen a clothing category and this product will show as a clothing category, but upsell product does not depends on that category. It will only show those products which you have selected in your editor area. So this is the upsell product and this is the related product. For related product you don't have to do anything, it will automatically catch all the related categories product in your single page. So friends, as you can see, this is the upsell product which is showing. When you add multiple products, then it will show in this row in the blank area. Now we are going to edit our product again, and now we will add a cross-sell products. Friend, cross-sell products are the product that you promote in the cart page based on the current products. So when a user select a product and go to a cart page, you want that user can purchase more product from your website. So at that time you are going to sell more related product according to their purchase needs, so that they can purchase more and more products from your site. So in cross-sell product also the process is same. You have to search for the products in search field. Suppose now I am going to select t-shirt and it will give us the results of the t-shirt available, so that with the jeans user can also purchase a t-shirt. So I'm just going to select a green t-shirt with this, and if you want you can select more t-shirt, and now you can also select a red t-shirt also, and just go to update button and click the update button. Now our product is updated, and now again we are going to check the same product. You have to refresh this page and then we will check whether it is showing cross-sell product or not. So now my page is updated, and now I am going to click on the add to cart button, because cross-sell product will show in the cart page. So my product is added in the cart, and now I am going to click the view cart button here, and then we will see our cross-sell product is showing or not. Yes friends, you can see this, our product is now added in cart, and also they are suggesting me that you may be interested in these products also. so that with the jeans you can also purchase my red round neck t-shirt and a round neck t-shirt with green color. So friends, in this way you can also give the cross sell and upsell products for your customer. So friends, this is for today, and if you have any issues in this video you can comment me below, and if you have not subscribed my channel then please do subscribe so that you will get latest notification of my videos. Friends, thanks for watching my video.